this video I'm going to be making a nightlight. Now you can see here that I have a bottle of booze and then I have some painter's tape here. So this is some tequila that I drink and just some painter's tape to put all around the bottle, and then I'm going to I'm going to frost the bottle on the top and on the bottom. Now I can etch this with a chemical or I could sandblast it. I think I'm going to sandblast the darn thing. So this is the before and this is the after. So I got a little red and blue flashing LED light here, and I'm going to just turn it on and give you guys an idea what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off all the lights in here, well, most of them, and give you guys an idea of what this looks like in the dark. Wow, that looks nice. I really like that. Kind of goes with my keyboard. Looks pretty cool, don't you think? Cool. Just to show you before I paste this all together, this is what this looks like. And this thing came from Dollar Tree. It actually had a white little little white bulb in there, and it stayed on. And I went and I switched it out for I think this is a 10mm red and blue flashing LED bulb. So yeah, I just soldered that in there, and it's powered by two little AA's or AAA batteries. So there's the top of the bottle where I drilled it. So yeah, looks pretty cool. But anyways, thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next one.